how to turn on or turn off TalkBack shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on TalkBack. Then we go down and tap on TalkBack shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. In here, there are 3 different shortcuts that you can use. Tap accessibility button. So you can select that. You can select one or more items. So you can also choose press side button, press side and volume up buttons. So side and volume up buttons to open up a different menu. And you can also choose press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Then tap on OK. Here, I can tap on the accessibility button and I can tap on it to turn on TalkBack. Here, I can select it to turn it off. You can also use the volume up and the side button to turn on TalkBack. So those are the different shortcuts that you can use. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.